CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is circling internet group stock buy, and I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Ultimately, looking at CRCL, it's a bearish market. It's not that I'm going to randomly start selling or buying. I'm just going to show you my exact play deal, but I've got a lot of receipts with CRCL in my Discord, 28 results, so there's not lack of coverage, let's say, in this YouTube channel regarding this. So how I'm looking at this is like, okay, I'm assuming this is a demand zone, and the only thing that's gonna make me buy is if I see a proper double break now, you know, instead of a 1 break now it turns to 2, which definitely adds more traction, but it just, I would much rather follow my edge that I've refined over 5 years and 43,000 videos rather than trying to reinvent the wheel and assume things, you know what I mean? Because I know if I stick to my edge, I'll be okay, you know? So that's that. If it keeps melting lower, I'll keep you updated, but for me to be bullish, I must see a shift above here. And I'll keep you updated. So if you want to stay tuned and stay tuned with CRCL and get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.